Here we're asked to reflect this triangle, ABC, in the y-axis. So the first job is to identify the y-axis. So this is the x-axis here because this goes across, okay? That's the old mnemonic to remember which one's the y and which one's the x. The x goes across because it is a cross. X is a cross. Okay, and if that's the x-axis, then this obviously, the up and down axis must be the y-axis. Okay, so we're going to reflect the shape across the y-axis this way, towards the right. So again, it's a pretty simple task because all you have to do is to be able to count. So let's do that. So we'll move point A first, and we'll basically reflect the whole triangle by reflecting the points and joining them on the other side. So here we go. We'll reflect point A. So 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 steps to axis Y. And you've got to remember that when you move and when you reflect, your movement, the direction of your movement of each point has to intersect the axis that you're reflecting in at 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees right here. Okay, so it's 3 steps to axis Y. So I just keep going, again, moving away at 90 degrees, the same number of steps. So 1, 2, 3. So here. So this here is going to be a complement. B, very, very short steps, 1. So 1. And I now know that B complement is going to be here. And I do the same for C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. So I now know that C complement is here. And now the next step, all I have to do is draw some lines. And I will have completed the reflection. So that's that. That's actually, that's not accurate enough. Goes from there to there. Okay, there to there, and from here to here. And there you go. I've just reflected triangle ABC in the y-axis, which is here, and I've actually also labeled the image. Done.